Hello everybody, I wanted to take you through a website and it's going to help you with your research. I'm encouraging everybody to use it. It is the scholarly website known as GALILEO. It was developed by the University System of Georgia, but it's there for all schools to use, so I'm encouraging you to use it now. Yes, you can sign in from school and it will let you in, or you can sign in from home and use the password STRIP, S-T-R-I-P, as in film strip. Again, password STRIP, S-T-R-I-P, and that will let you get in and access this. But I'm already logged on, so I'm going to go ahead, go inside, and you will see something that looks like this. And you can start a search. So maybe my search wants to be on Helen Keller. Doesn't really matter if you capitalize it or not. And I want to go ahead and see what that will pull up for me. So it pulls up all these things. So I have ebooks, you have things that look like PDF text. But what I really want to make sure, I'm just going to go over here for a second. You're going to want to always click full text, because you don't want things that are just short little synopsis of the text. You always want to be able to read. And all of these are PDF full text, so you'll be able to see them and read them. Let's just open this one. Let's say I want to look at her and I want to investigate her line of triumph and tragedy, and she is actually a very good person to investigate triumph and tragedy. So this is a novel. I don't know if I want this novel or not, so maybe I want to go back. It's like, no, Miss Camp. Let's go back to the result list. We'll go up to the top. Helen Keller, an educator, advocate. Well, let's do the musician. So it's a PDF full text. Good. We can open it up and we can actually read it. So this one is a Time for Kids article. And you can scroll down and read it, which is wonderful. I think it's still loading. There it is. Lots of pictures in this one. Gives you a little bit of a table of contents, but it's going to give you some information. Some of her background, definitely things that happened in her life that were both good and bad. Okay, so you can do that. So I want you to also know that you have to gather citation information. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to scroll over here for just a second. It gives you a list, and you can actually scroll down this list. You're looking for the MLA citation, which is right down there. And notice how it already has it filled out for you. So there, this right here is the MLA citation you would need. And all you have to do is copy and paste that into a document of yours. And you might have to do the hanging indent, but I can show you how to do that. So this is wonderful. So there you have all the information that would possibly be needed for you for this particular magazine article. Okay, let's go back again one more time. Let's say you were just doing World War II. Let's do the Battle of the Bulge. Let's do a particular battle, or about World War II, and what do I want to do? Let's do Hiroshima, which is definitely triumph and tragedy. All right, the world's first atomic bomb, Hiroshima, full text finder. So atomic bombs over Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the selection of the target. So maybe you want to read that one. Let's look at the PDF full text. And again, there's a scholarly article that has been peer-reviewed by college professors and people who have academic degrees who focus on this type of knowledge. So that might give you some good information there. Again, This one's a little bit different, and I wanted to show you that, but over to the side over here, you'll see the little button that says Site. So again, you can click on it, scroll down to MLA, and there's your works cited information, and you can copy and paste that out of there. Okay, that's a little bit of an update of